Got somebody coming in?
I think so.
So this bothy is right on the Cape Raft Trail. There's no cars in the car park, but it'll be interesting to see if you meet anybody on the trail. What do you think, John?
It'd be nice not to meet anybody on the trail. It'd be nice to have this place to ourselves tonight.
Yeah, true. But don't mind sharing, I suppose, as long as they're sound.
Aye. Bit of whisky.
That's it, aye.
A fire, hopefully.
So classic Forrest Gump quote, like, a bothy is like a box of chocolates. You don't know who you're going to get. What is around the corner? Well, coastline, of course. Well, folks, we're nearly there. We're at the bothy. There's 3 buildings, which I can't actually remember, which is terrible. And the bothy is the first one that you reach. So let's have a look. It's 8:15. I can't remember exactly what time we set off at, but it must have been after 6 o'clock. Rightio folks, we have arrived. I don't think anybody's in, unless there's some tired hikers sleeping. Let's have a look. It's a bit narrow for you, mate. I'll open this door. Hello! Well, if there's somebody sleeping, they'll be awake now. Seems to be a bit of damage to the roof there. You can see some of the slates are loose, and obviously this one's came away. So I'll file in a wee bothy report and let them know just in case they're not aware. Right, let's do a quick tour of the bothy before it gets too dark. So tonight we are in the right hand room, which is here. So it's got a fireplace, bench, and then if I swing round, got your cooking table, bothy book, which I'll sign later. Then we'll go through to the left hand room. This one's not as nice, doesn't have the wooden flooring. It's got a big open fireplace there. A table for cooking. And then tucked away around here, got a small room. Tent pegs of some sort. Now let's have a look upstairs. So we'll do the left hand room. Don't know what's been happening there with that newspaper. Nothing much happening up here, is there? And then we'll go through to the right hand upstairs room. And there you go. The skylight is a bit better. You can see the boat out there. Right, and back downstairs we shall go. Actually, don't fall down the stairs because my vlog light is blinding me. Not bad. Check this out, by the way, they've got a proper old broomstick. You're a wizard, Harry! We didn't bring too much of us, just with it being quite warm outside. So just got a small bag of kindling and a couple of fire logs, which should get us a couple of hours of burn time.
You ever thought of quitting? Like YouTube?
Never, nah.
No, never got.
It's never encroached that or felt that I've ever needed to quit YouTube.
Yeah, you've not had a period where you're just going to, can't be dealing with this
Nah.
and all that.
There's occasionally I'll just dump the camera and no bother and quit a video, but nah, not got to that point yet. Still enjoy it. That should smoulder nicely tonight, give us a wee bit of heat.
Is that somebody coming in?
I think so.
Wake up and smell the Bothy. Good morning, folks. It is just gone 5:30. We've got a big hike later on today, so we're up early. But last night, about 2 in the morning, somebody came in. We heard the bolt slide and then walked in, and then it went all silent. And then we thought we could hear footsteps, and it was quite creepy. And this went on for how long? About 10-15 minutes. And I think we kind of realised that it wasn't anybody, but my heart was racing. And then eventually got out of bed, went out to investigate. Door was all closed, and it was just the wind picked up during the night. But I was starting, my imagination was running wild there.
Yeah, no, it's definitely like someone was here.
And if I was on my own, I would have been bricking it. So I can see how people think they hear things, or you know what I mean, in Bothy's. Because
definitely.
that was quite weird.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's get some breakfast on the go. Apart from that incident at 2 AM this morning, I had a good sleep. I'll need to check my sleep score on the watch later. I wonder if it'll pick up the heart rate at 2 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, that's really loose. Right, let's go.